Good day, guys. Today is 26th January 2018, and today we are going to take a few more live trades. I'm sure you might be following my other videos since I've been posting since yesterday. So, what are we going to trade? So, we are looking to go long in USD CAD. So, I'm waiting for a right opportunity. As you see here, this candle closed with a nice reversal here. So, what we can do is just wait for some more time because it doesn't show the same pattern on the other cardinal pairs, so we have to wait. Like you see, this is a nice reversal in USDN, and it's pretty much like we can take a long position here. So let me just check all the pairs, and then we can decide what we can do. Okay, okay, okay. So I'm almost ready to pull the trigger. Okay, this is like nice reversal here too. Let's go 5 minute chart. Okay, so you see here, this looks nice reversal here. So we'll take sell position in Euro USD. Let's take 5 minute chart, and not in. We are going to take a few trades, so that is the reason we'll use. 30 lots, 0.3 lot trades, not single trades. Though we are confident, but I'm going to use like 30-40 pip stop loss, so that is the reason I don't want to take too much risk. A short in AUD USD and a short in New Zealand dollar as well. Now I'll wait for this USD CAD to finish. So it's about we have another 3 minutes, so 3 1 minute candles. So let's wait and see. If I see a higher high here, I'm going along with a single one lot, not 0.30 lot, because I'm bullish in this pair. I can easily target like 100 pips today, so that will push price above this region. Okay, let's wait. Let's go to a minute chart. So I want this pair, this 1 minute bar to go above this bar, then I will go long. Yeah, these are perfect short trades, and this is looks very nice. Well, you see, GBPSD is the only one which is like rising. If you are following my, if you have followed my previous videos, I was talking about this reversal here. I could have gone long, but it's very tricky situation. You can't trade each and every wave, so it's better to stay in a safe zone rather than just going for every trade. It's still holding here. I'm just waiting. I just need a spike about this candle, so I'm waiting very cautiously. So every other pair shows nice moves. New Zealand dollar is nice. Go on. This makes me worried a little bit because this is going to affect all these other pairs. This will be like a higher high. Let's watch. However, I'm going to have 30-40 pip stop, so it doesn't matter. But it is always okay. You see, I was talking about this. It's very tricky, let me zoom in a bit. So you see the reverse candle here. The next bar is like making a new low. It's like it worries me a lot bit. So let's wait more confirmation. So there is still a chance for USD CAD just shows some bullish signs. And well, I was talking about reversals, and this shows like a higher high. Let's see. As we are at reversal points, we can trust these setups. Just be patient, because one candle bar is enough to just show us a like 5-10 pip rise. So that will clear all the things. So just be patient. Losing 30 pips is like okay. And here you see this was yesterday's reversal, and this should provide enough supply and enough reversals here. I mean to say, it should give us some reversal pattern. So you are understanding now. So how I trade these pairs, how I analyze them, and what I actually look for. So as we are at this support zone, yesterday was its resistance, and it has been broken. So this becomes a very good support. So obviously it has to show some reversal here. So let's see. So I'm going to wait another 4-5 minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll pause this recording. I'll come back in like um, maybe in 4-5 minutes. I can't keep recording. Maybe I can actually record. Okay, this is a nice reversal. That's it. I went a single lot. So you see here, this is a very tight stop loss. It's about like 4 pips. So what I'll do is I'll be watching this pair closely, as we are already at very good support level. I definitely looking to go long. So what I'll do is I'll just if it drops more, I'll keep buying. If my stop let my maximum my stop gets hit, it doesn't matter at all to me. I'll just keep buying this pair. I'll look for these patterns. So this one, you see, this a bearish and a bull, and this is a confirmation. So it's like more like continuation process. Just in case if it drops, I'll look for some similar patterns like this and I'll buy. And I have used a 4 pip stop is because I'm using a single lot, so I don't want to keep a 30 pips uh, stop loss with a single lot, so that's too risky for me. So let's see what's happening with these pairs. Okay, nice. Shows nice results to me, and this just go about this, and it gives me some confirmation, and I'll be like relaxed. Just another 5 minutes, and this should go above, and we'll be done. There is definitely a chance, like sometimes it goes above and drops back again. So these all things do happen, but just be patient. That's it. You'll get your patterns, you'll get your entries. So markets are always there. It can rise from anywhere, it can drop from anywhere. So just be patient, and you'll get your right opportunity. So I've been waiting these patterns, and I got these patterns, and this is how I've entered this short and long trades. You could be wrong, but it's all about how you're going to manage these trades. So now you see, this I was not expecting this. For me, if it has to be bullish, it has to just rise, because it's right at yesterday's strong resistance zone. So it needs to, you know, just push this pair, and it should like be a spike down and up. It should be like that. It should not be like hovering there for a long time. So that makes me feel like uh, that makes me be worried. Like you see, it's hovering just right near the lows. So there is still USD CAD to just drop like about another 15 pips from here if it's like hovering, and that will push New Zealand dollar and ODSD higher as well. So that's the problem. Let's see the pairs how they are performing. It's just 5 minute candle bar on USD. Yep, not convincing. It's, yeah, it has made some pattern, but I'm not convinced, to be honest. It might rise, uh, just rise, but like I said, very honestly, I'm not convinced with this pattern. Though it's like a 3 pip, 4 pip stop, so I don't mind just holding it because it's showing some higher highs, but like I said, I'm not convinced. So thank you guys. See you again after some time. I was talking about, let's see what's going to happen. What I'll do is I'll pause this video. I'll keep you updated regarding these trades because I'm going to sit in front of my system for about another 2 hours looking at these patterns, how they're going to behave, and where I'm going to get another opportunity. Okay, I'll just pause this for some time now. Hey guys, back again. So as you see, I just got stopped out, and so I'm just waiting for another move down here. So I'll be looking at 5 minute chart. So this is going to be a very crucial one because, like I was telling you, that will push the other pairs higher. So that's the only worry right now because I don't want USD CAD to drop like back to yesterday's lows. So that will be like a misery, like So I'm sure, like right in another 5 or 10 minutes, I'll be getting an opportunity to go long in USD CAD because, like I was been telling you, that we are exactly sitting at very strong support zone, which was resistance yesterday. Looking at 5 minute charts, USD Yen, USD Swiss A is all making nice moves. So GBP/USD is rising. I guess it's going to make a very strong stop hunt like here. We are like 60 pips away from here. Okay, so maybe what's 13 pips, and so you might see another 5 to 10 pips drop from here. Let's observe this pair and okay. Let's take a fib of this and let's see where we are exactly. Okay, right at 61.8. USDN or USD. So this is also one good way to analyze USD CAD. If US or USD 5 minute bar closes below the previous 5 minute candle bar high, I mean close, so that should also tell us that USD CAD is ready to rise. So let's go to 1 minute. Yep, this is decent, but let me see a higher high. I've been waiting for this higher high. It didn't happen here. So let's wait for at least this to give us a 100% clarification that it's ready to rise. And it's dropping, as you see. So let's count 5 pips from here. We have 5 pips down, so maybe other 5 pips. I just need to see a higher high. Okay, beautiful. This is what I want in USD CAD too. Yeah, something similar in NordUSD too. Come on. I can just blindly take a position here, but I don't want this because I already got stopped out. Even just in case if 5 minute bar just closes in this candle zone, so I'll just buy it. So maybe this time rather than like going for a one lot trade, I'll go with 0.30 lot. This is showing good signs of bearishness. So this is another decent profitable trade. Okay, we have 2 minutes more. The next two kind of was this, and the next one is going to be crucial one. Otherwise, what happens is like this is considered like a higher high on 5 minute bar. I mean 5 minute chart. So this is like it will be a continuation process. If these pairs doesn't show us decent reversals. So this is a decent reversal. So look at this candlestick and look at this bar after this candlestick. Just one more bar and we'll trade this. So this is how they are rising slow and calm. Just one more bar. I'll go with a single lot. So this is what I was talking about. So I need to see clean. I mean to say clean reversals. Okay. So that's it. Here you go. Now the next this bar, this 5 minute candle bar should hold this zone. Otherwise, we are going to be in trouble. It might drop. So, anyways, guys, we're back. Uh, 5 minutes is holding beautifully. Okay. So I'll pause this video for some time and let's see where these pairs are going to be in another uh, 90 minutes. Okay, thank you.
So, guys, back again. So we are in a very different situation right now. This is very important for all the viewers to understand, like how you need to manage your trades. So today I have done. I don't say that it's a mistake which I have done, but you need to find a better position for entry. But here in this case, as you see, we are completely like 30 pip away from in USD CAD and another 30 pip away in New Zealand dollar. And similarly in AUD USD as well, we are like about 25, 36 pips, 30 pips away. And better looks a little better in USDN, but this is 20 pips away. We were like 30 pip away at one point. You see here. So all these entries, they're completely like this is 45 pips away. Even it's like very difficult situation right now. So I wish I could go a short. I mean, I wish I could take a short position in GBPSC right here with the stop above this candle bar. But as you see right now, it's very difficult to take a short position there. The only thing which looks decent right now is Euro GBP, and this kind of bar actually makes me worried because this looks like a reversal. I'm not sure if it's going to drop anymore, so that is the reason I'm going to close this trade. So you see, it's about 35 pip. So that's profit booked on Euro GBP. And talking about USD CAD, as long this pattern is valid, we will see, you know, USD CAD. It should rise. We should be making at least 50 pips, depending on the pattern. Maybe just in case if I see any bearish pattern right near this entry, I'll close all the trades because there is definitely a chance, like it could rise here and test this zone and then drop again. So that's a possibility. It's very much in the it is in the scenario, and the main problem is, like yesterday this resistance has been broken and it's holding below that yesterday's resistance. I thought that will become a very good support pushing USD CAD, but you know it happened in a different way. So I need to see a good breakout above. It should be a very clean breakout above this resistance zone, uh, which has to become support actually, but looks like it's not. You know, Behaving well. So, anyways, for now, we'll just wait and see. For now, the bullish pattern is still valid, and so that is the reason I'm not that much worried about these trades. Just in case if I see anything, any different price action at these levels, I'll just close all the trades in negative. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you in late US session, or if I have any updates regarding these trades, I'll come back. Thank you.